Hi everyone, this is Bharti and welcome to day 3 of the 21-day pranayama challenge. Once you are ready, let's hop onto the mat and get going. Let's come into an easy cross-legged sitting position. Ground your sit bones into the mat, straighten the spine, roll the shoulders back, bring the hands in chin mudra on the knees and gently close your eyes. And let's start observing our natural flow of breath. Keep your attention only on your breath. Let us start the practice by repeating the following affirmation 3 times in our mind. I am grateful for everything I have. Let us start the practice with an Om chant. Take a deep breath in. We'll start with 5 rounds of equal breathing. So let's start. Inhale 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep going on. Last round. Inhale 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And relax. Equal breathing is great for focusing the mind and improving concentration. Next, we are going to do complete yogic breathing. So you can bring one hand on your abdomen and one on your chest. And let's start. Inhale deeply, expanding the belly, followed by the chest and the collarbones. Exhale slowly, the collarbones soften, followed by the chest and the belly. Inhale deeply, expanding belly, chest and collarbones. Exhale slowly, the chest softens and the belly goes in. 3 more rounds. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Last round. Inhale deeply, expanding belly, chest and collarbones. Exhale slowly. Collarbones soften, followed by the chest and the belly. Bring the hands down and take a couple of normal breaths. Next, we are going to do 3 rounds of Kapalbhati with 30 pumps each. We are going to take it slow, so about 1 breath per second. So straighten your spine and gently close your eyes. In Kapalbhati, the focus is on active exhalation. So take a breath in and out. And let's start. And relax. Let's start the second round. Take a breath in and out. And relax. Let's start the third round. Take a breath in and out. and relax. Kapalbhati is great for cleansing the respiratory tract and deep oxygenation of the body. Next, we are going to do Anulom Vilom Pranayama. So again, we are going to continue 1:1 ratio, but we are going to add one more count. So today we are going to do inhalations and exhalations for a count of 5. So let's start. Bring the right hand in Vishnu Mudra and close the right nostril with the right thumb. Take a breath in and out from the left nostril. Inhale left, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch, exhale right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale left, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale left, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale left, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep going on. Try to make as little sound as you inhale and exhale, keeping the lengths of the inhalations and exhalations equal. Second last round. Slowly bring the right hand down and take a couple of normal breaths. Next, we are going to do Bhramari Pranayama, or the humming bee breath. So you may want to change the crossing of your legs if you feel any strain after sitting in the same position for so long. So for Bhramari Pranayama, let's bring both the hands on either sides of the ears. We are going to close the flaps of the ears with the thumbs and gently place the fingers over the eyelids. You can observe the first round. We are going to inhale through our nose, and then keeping our mouth closed, we are going to exhale out, making a deep humming sound. So inhale. The sound should be soft and continuous. We'll do this for 3 rounds. Let's start. Slowly bring the hands down, keeping your eyes closed. Bhramari Pranayama is great for reducing stress and calming the mind. We'll end the practice with 3 Om chants. Take a deep breath in. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Slowly bring your hands to your heart center and let's start rubbing the palms to create heat in the palms. Place your palms over your eyelids and feel the healing heat of the palms through the eyelids. Gently bring the hands down and open your eyes. Hope you enjoyed this session. I'll see you tomorrow. Till then, take care and bye-bye.